the heart of the enchanted forest, a curious young squirrel stumbled upon an ancient tree with a hidden door. With a mixture of excitement and trepidation, the young squirrel boldly stepped through the mysterious doorway. The young explorer found himself immersed in a world where animals spoke and gathered in harmony. Amidst the gasps and whispers, a calamitous event unfolded as the priceless crown lay broken before them. In his quest for a solution, the young squirrel stumbled upon a mythical flower rumored to mend what was once shattered. Just as hope began to blossom, a mischievous thief swooped in and spirited away the key to their salvation. Determined to right the wrong, the eclectic group of creatures stood united in a mission to outwit the wily trickster. As dusk descended upon the forest, a tense standoff loomed between the seekers of justice and the elusive thief. With the crown made whole once more, the king's joy knew no bounds as he bestowed upon the young hero his heartfelt thanks. Moral of the story. The moral of the story highlights the importance of courage, determination, and unity in the face of adversity. It emphasizes the value of standing up for what is right, even when faced with challenges and obstacles. Additionally, the story underscores the power of teamwork and cooperation, showing how individuals from different backgrounds can come together to achieve a common goal and bring about positive change.